fix that.
Careful.
Seriously, if you guys take out any of that and like explode in water.
It would be bad. You guys, we have a problem.
What?
There's a door down at this next level.
That's true.
Someone needs to go in front. Tyson, stop filming. You have to do this.
Oh, hold on, just look down. You're fine. It's the couch making a noise. Actually,
No, actually, let's
Yeah.
see. We gotta let it go again. Here's another one.
bottom first. Bottom first.
Shouldn't someone go down and get the door first?
Here, I'll go down.
Ooh, you can do a front view.
Oh,
There's some fun on the steps.
bottom first. Oh God! Don't go with it, please. Oh God! Oh my God! Uh-oh.
Yeah. But you're gonna go up again and then out the bottom.
Do you want me to? Okay.